Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Rizwan from ABCS Global. In this video, I am showing you how to set up a meta awareness campaign to increase brand visibility and reach right audience effectively. Let's jump into the video. Guys, first of all, go into the meta ads. Ads manager. Now you get the results here. Okay. Now click on meta ads manager. Okay. Now you get this interface here. Okay. Now you are now going to go to ads manager. Now you get the interface of the meta ads. From here we are gonna start meta ad. Okay, this is the first step of creating meta ads. Here, come down here, you can see create button. Okay, create. Now you want to select campaign objective. Now we are gonna do awareness campaign, so I am gonna select awareness. Okay, click on awareness, continue. Now you get this interface. Okay, there are 3 steps in meta ads manager, that is campaign, ad set and new ad. Okay, now in campaign we're gonna set our daily budget, etc. Okay, first of all we're gonna do campaign name. Okay, this campaign name is not visible for audience, this is only visible to us. Now I'm gonna set awareness campaign, sorry, awareness campaign January. Okay, now scroll to down, we already selected the campaign objective. Come down here, we can see advantages plus campaign budget. Okay, click on that, turn on. Now you get the budget and okay, click on daily budget. Here you can see lifetime budget and daily budget. I am gonna set daily budget. Okay, fix daily budget according to you. I am gonna keep 200 itself. Okay, then scroll again, click on next. That's all for campaign set. Okay, nothing more here to do. If you wanna test an A/B test, you can turn on here A/B test, or else keep it off. Next. Oh, now we are in the ad set. Okay, so name the ad set. I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, performance goal, it's already in maximize reach of ads. Then Facebook page, select which page your ad should be run. You can set cost per result goal, etc. Scroll again, you can keep frequency control. It's already set in cap. It is the maximum number of times that you want people to see your ads. It's 2 times every 7 days. It's already set. Coming down, now you can schedule your budget and date. Now you can here you can see start date and end date. It's gonna start on 13th January at 12:03. It's the time now. Okay, end date. If you wanna set an end date, you can click here set an end date and you can give here date and time. Okay, I'm not gonna set an end date, so I'm leaving it like this. Coming down here, you can see location. Select the location, which region your ad should be run. I'm gonna select Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. Select the region. I'm gonna select Coimbatore. Okay, again scroll down. Now you can see here advantages plus audience. Here you should set your audience, whom all your ad should be shown. I'm gonna show how to set audience. Click on audience suggestion. Now you get here age. You can set age. I'm gonna give minimum 20 to 50. Let it be 50. Now this ad will show only the age category from 20 years to 50 years. Okay, now here gender, all gender. Okay, let it show to all gender. If you want to edit this, here all men, women, I'm gonna set on all. Okay, again coming here, detailed targeting. Here if you want to search your audience, you can search here and also add for example, if you are doing a clothing business, string clothing, you get your clothing like this, audience will be visible here. Or else if you want detailed targeting, click on browse. Here you get demographic, interest, behaviors. Click on each of them and go inside and select their education, household income, etc. Like that. Click on everything, go inside and set your target audience. Okay, again coming on, this is policy and regulatory income. If your ad is about any securities of or investment, you should click on here, or else you can leave this like that. Okay, again click on next. Now we are in the last step of the meta ad. Here name the ad name, come down, scroll down again. If you want to connect on Instagram account, please connect here. Connect, you can click on connect account and this tab will be open. Connect, if you wanna connect, you can give connect. Okay, again scroll down, you can set up create ad setup. Click on the create ad, use existing post, use creative hub mockup, or create an ad. We can click on create an ad, single video or image. It's already in single video or image. Again scroll down, you come to add creative. Here you can set up the creative and it's already set it here. I'm sure to set up. Click on edit media. If you want to upload from gallery, right side click on upload and you can select from gallery. Okay, or else if it's already in account images, you can select from here. I'm going to select this for next. You get this. Okay, square. If you are running a meta ad, you should create a creative in square, vertical and also horizontal. Okay, now it's in original size, it's not fitting the screen, so click on 1:1. So it's exceeded the screen size, so create a suitable creative and replace it. Okay, click on replace. You can replace only for that square, do for everything and click on next. Here you should add primary text. Keep a 5 primary text. For example, I'm gonna give best digital marketing freelancer, best digital marketing freelancer, etc. If you wanna give 5 of them. Okay, again add text option, again give here like that, and also headlines. Give any headline which matches your content. Headline I'm gonna give you can refer ChatGPT for primary text, headlines, etc. Okay, and also give description and also give a call to action. I'm gonna give book now or contact us, or else send a WhatsApp message. So I get a WhatsApp message again. So I'm already setting in send WhatsApp message. So I need to connect WhatsApp account. That's why it's shown here, connect WhatsApp account. Okay, so connect WhatsApp account and your WhatsApp should be business WhatsApp account. Okay, again complete these procedures, click on done. You can preview your ad here in the right side. This is for desktop, this is for tablet, this is for mobiles, etc. You can like this, you can preview your ad in the right side. Okay, and scroll again, and click on, that's all. Click on at last step, click on publish. That's it, guys. And guys, this is the step you have to follow for creating meta awareness campaign. And please note that in meta awareness campaign you can get messages through WhatsApp, Instagram, and also Facebook Messenger. And guys, next video will be on how to create meta traffic campaign. And this video will be gonna more interesting. And to get the video, please subscribe the channel and enable notification button. And that's all, guys. Bye. Thank you.